Are you struggling to write a high-scoring essay? You've spent hours researching and reading countless papers, but the results still fall short. Don't worry, in today's video we'll show you how to use PopAi to write high-scoring essays efficiently and effectively. Step 1. Find your topic. As Larry McInerney from UChicago's writing program says, good writing changes how people think. But to do that, you need to know what really matters in your field. Type your keywords, and PopAi finds the most relevant and authoritative academic papers. Use auto summary to quickly grasp key topics and focus your research. This will help determine the content you need to write. Step 2. Take smart notes. Use PopAi to build an efficient, easy-to-recall note-taking system. The insights you gained from the paper can directly support your writing process. Highlight key paragraphs, save them to your notes, and let PopAi's AI writer refine the content to fit your needs. Effortless and effective. Step 3. Create a structured outline. Use PopAi to organize your notes into a clear, structured paper outline. Click on AI Writing and use Professor Tim Wilson's 5 key sections to build a clear and logical outline. PopAi will generate a detailed, tailored outline for you. From there, you can refine the content with purposeful additions or adjustments. Once your paper is complete, you'll have a polished and well-organized piece ready to share or submit with confidence. Whether you need help with tough topics or organizing your ideas, PopAi is here to assist you. Let's dive in.